Welcome back to Old Coin Vault. Today we're examining a small coin with a long story, the 1961 South Africa 1 cent. Some sellers list it for $1.25. Is that fair? Let's find out. Stick around for close-ups, grading tips, and collector advice you won't want to miss. In the next 9 minutes, we'll cover the coin's history, physical specs, mintage, how condition affects price, how to spot damage or cleaning, and whether $1.25 is a realistic value for your coin. Ready? Let's go. The 1 cent coin for 1961 was struck during a period of change for South African coinage. After decimalization planning and evolving national imagery, this small coppery coin circulated widely, used for everyday purchases. It carries national motifs that collectors like, typically a protea or plant motif on one side and state or effigy on the other, depending on the year/minting series. Use on-screen text to show obverse/reverse labels. While not rare in pure mintage numbers, surviving examples in higher grades are less common due to heavy circulation. Here are the key specs collectors look for. Denomination: 1 cent, year, 1961 metal/composition. Typical for this era, bronze or copper-based alloy. Note: composition varies across years and requires a reference to confirm exact alloy. Diameter and weight: small. Use calipers and a jeweler's scale for verification. Edge: plain. These physical checks help confirm authenticity and rule out altered or modern counterfeit pieces. Consult catalog and show popular catalogs. Narration: the 1961 1C was minted in large numbers compared to commemorative coins, so it's commonly available to collectors. That said, circulated coins show heavy wear. Examples graded EF, extremely fine, or higher are noticeably scarcer. For exact mintage figures, consult a South African coin catalog or price guide. They'll tell you which years and mint marks are scarce. Value depends mostly on condition. Quick grading guide: good G, heavy wear, details mostly flattened. Worth mostly face or scrap value. Fine, F/very fine, VF. More details visible, some rims and lettering worn. Typical sellers price these modestly. Extremely fine EF, light wear, strong details, collector interest rises. Uncirculated MS, no circulation wear, crisp strike. Highest value, remember. $1.25 is a typical market price for commonly available circulated examples. EF or slightly better might fetch more, depending on demand. Always check live marketplaces and auction results. How to inspect: use a 5-10 times loop and a neutral light. Look for rim wear versus strike weakness. Is the detail missing because of wear or because the coin was weakly struck? Scratches, nicks, or rim damage. These drop value. Patina and toning. Natural toning is okay. Bright, uneven color or scratchy surfaces may indicate cleaning. Pro tip: never clean a coin. Cleaning removes the natural patina and usually destroys collector value. So, is $1.25 accurate? For commonly circulated 1961 1C, yes, many market listings hover around that figure. But very worn equals less than $1.25, maybe just a buck or less. EF/MS examples equals can be several dollars or more, depending on buyer interest. Errors, proofs, or unusual toning equals could be worth significantly more. Always compare completed sales, not just asking prices, on platforms like eBay, local auction houses, and coin forums to get a realistic price. Clean coin over polished surfaces and fake patina. Narration: watch out for over-polished/clean coins. They look unnaturally bright. Avoid them. Added color/chemical treatments can be permanent damage. Fake claims: sellers claiming high auction prices without proof. Always ask for certs or sale records. If something looks too good for a $1.25 coin, examine closely or ask a trusted numismatist. Now I want to hear from you. Do you own a 1961 1C? Drop a photo in the comments and tell me its condition. I'll pick one to show on the next video and give a quick value estimate. If you're new here, say hi and tell us where you found your coin, pockets, jar, or estate sale. I love those stories. That's the 1961 South Africa 1 cent in a nutshell. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and ring the bell. More coin deep dives every week here on Old Coin Vault. Thanks for watching. Keep those coins safe and see you next time.